Some patients may need the support of the intensive care unit. There'll be other patients who may need specialised diagnostic imaging support. And then there are some parts of the site that provide materials like case cards for patients having surgeries in the cancer centre that need to be brought by the connector into the cancer centre building too.
All the way from the Cancer Centre to the furthest reach in McCaig Tower in the APL labs up on level 7 of McCaig, there's probably over a kilometre of pneumatic tube piping. There are also fire alarms that tie into existing facilities at Health Sciences as well as the main hospital.
In addition to patients and patients' families and physicians and healthcare professionals going back and forth, again, we anticipate a lot of learners moving between the University Medical School and the laboratories and the teaching classrooms and lecture halls in the new Cancer Centre.